When it comes to AI-powered video editing, content teams today are spoiled for choice. Two standout options are Descript and Runway Editor. Both are designed to make editing faster, smarter, and more collaborative. But they focus on different things. Let's break down what makes each one shine and which might be the best fit for your team. Descript is built around one big idea: editing video by editing text. You upload your footage, it transcribes everything, and suddenly you are editing your video like you would a document. Cut out sentences, rearrange sections, and watch your video update automatically. It feels natural, especially for teams that work with podcasts, webinars, or training videos. The interface is simple, clean, and surprisingly intuitive. You do not have to be a video editor to make something that looks polished. What really makes Descript powerful is its AI toolkit. It can remove filler words automatically, clean up background noise, and even clone your voice to fix mistakes. There is also an overdub feature that can recreate your voice for quick line edits. The collaboration side is strong too. Team members can leave comments, share versions, and make changes in real time, just like working in a shared document. Now, Runway Editor takes a very different path. Instead of focusing on transcripts, it focuses on visuals and creativity. This platform is built for teams that love experimenting with generative tools. You can remove backgrounds without a green screen, erase objects from moving footage, and even generate entirely new clips from text prompts. It's like having a creative effects studio right inside your browser. Runway shines for marketing teams, creators, and designers who want to make bold, visually engaging content quickly. Runway's AI models are some of the most advanced around. You can generate B-roll, apply motion tracking, and use its text-to-video tools to turn ideas into visuals instantly. It's web-based, so collaboration is easy. No downloads, no heavy files, just a shared workspace for your team to create together. That said, it can be demanding on resources, and some of the generative tools require patience. Not every output is perfect, but when it works, it's stunning. Both tools are impressive. Descript gives you a refined, practical workflow for editing at scale. Runway gives you freedom to push creative boundaries. The choice really depends on your team's goals. If you want reliable, quick editing with strong collaboration, go with Descript. If you want to innovate and bring bold visuals to life, try Runway. Either way, both represent the future of AI-driven video creation. And whichever you pick, your team will be working smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever.